Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Bitget to bank account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bitget mobile application and then you need to tap on this square icon in the top left hand corner. After that, you will have to tap on the option of more services. Now in the more services, you are going to see the option of sell. So if you tap on sell, you will be landed on this P2P page. Now over here, you first have to link your bank account with it. For that, you need to tap on these three dots in the top right hand corner and then you need to tap on payment methods. After that, you need to tap on add payment method and then you will have to select the bank transfer option. Afterwards, you need to provide your banking details like your name in your bank account number, IFSC code, SWIFT code, etc. After filling those bank details, you just have to come back to the P2P page again, and now you will have to just select that particular merchant to whom you are going to sell your USDT, and in return you are going to get your money in your bank account. You need to make sure that you select the merchant that has this badge right next to their profile. If they have this badge, it simply means that they are verified on Bitget and they won't scam you. So you just have to select the sell button right next to their profile, and after that you will be landed on the selling page where you just have to enter the amount that you want to sell, and after that you will have to tap on the sell USDT option. This way you will be able to easily transfer your money from Bitget to your bank account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.